everybody, welcome back to my channel Learn with Virali. I'm Virali, your guide on this coding adventure. In our episode 8 of Introduction to CSS, we'll understand how to give fancy borders to our web pages. So let's get started. The CSS Border Properties allows you to specify the style, width and color of an element's border. There can be multiple different types of borders like dotted borders, dashed borders, solid borders, double borders, groove, inset, outset, no borders as in none, ridge borders or hidden borders. Let us take a CSS border example of understanding what CSS code or a property needs to be written in terms of displaying these type of borders onto your web pages. If you are interested in displaying a dotted border, just include a small piece of code as in border-style as dotted or border-style as dashed or border-style as solid. Or if you are looking to display a double border, it should be border-style as double and so on. So just the keywords are gonna change in terms of the border-style property. Please remember, if you are interested in displaying a mixed border, we can also do that. As in the last example, which shows up border style, dotted, dashed, solid and double. On the right hand side, the same picture shows you the output, which is kind of a mixed border as in dotted, dashed, solid as well as double. If this video was insightful, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel as it helps me to create more such insightful videos. Until then, happy coding.